Alright, scrappers, a couple things you want to get out of this particular dryer, the Armania. Your thermal sensors. Definitely want to get your timer. They sell really good on eBay. Maybe your heating element, they also go out, but it's not bad to check it. All you're going to do is check continuity on these prongs. And if it beeps, it's good, usually. Same with your thermal sensors. You're going to check continuity with your multimeter from prong to prong, and if it beeps, it's good. So get your timer, get your heating element, get your thermal sensors, and then I just want to show you what's always in the bottom of these, so stay tuned. Alright, to get your timer out, guys, you're literally just going to get your Raptor pliers or get needle noses. And you're going to squeeze these prongs. You're going to squeeze and lift your prongs. And if you need to break this top half off to get to the bottom prong, go ahead. No one buys the face plates. If they do, I don't know why they would. Squeeze your prongs. Take your knob off the outside. Got your knob off. Take your timer out. Save your timer. I broke this one, but that won't affect it. It may affect a little bit, but you just shove it on there and they stay on really tight. Now, when you check these for jewelry and change, you just come to the back. You really want to put it out in your driveway, but first you're just going to take a glance and see if you see anything. Like that, whatever that could be. Wow. That's probably worth nothing, so that's not silver or gold or anything. So we'll scrap that out. Put your gloves on. Get your pliers, put them away. Did you guys hear all that? So now we're going to bring it out in the driveway.